I am Arun, founder of 3D Tribe. Today's topic, preparing your image for DTF printing, removing the background using Photoshop. Let us turn your design into a clean, print-ready file. This series is Decoding DTF with 3D Tribe. We will start with checking the image size and the resolution of the image. Keep in mind, to get a good DTF print, the image should be 300 dpi or higher. Check if the image is clean and clear. We will just do some adjustments like vibrance and saturation. Go to Image, Adjustments and Vibrance. We will increase the vibrance and saturation to your likings. In the Layers tab, select the layer and right-click and convert the layer to Smart Layer. Double-click on the image. It will open the same image in a new tab. In the new tab, go to Image, Mode and Grayscale. Now we will make changes in levels. Go to Image, Adjustments and Levels. We will dial the shadow, mid-tone and highlight levels to make black color stand out, where all the black color in the image will be removed at the end. We will make all the mid-tone and highlight levels as white as possible and hit OK. Go to Image again, bitmap and flatten the layers. Recheck the image resolution and hit OK. In halftone screen I will keep the frequency at 45, angle at 32, and you can play around with the shapes. I will keep it as diamond and hit OK. Copy all in the layer. Come back to the first tab and add a layer mask. Hold Alt or Option key and click in the layer mask thumbnail and now paste the copied layer from the second tab. Voila! And now you see the magic. You can see the blacks are all removed. You can also check the quality of the image. You can add a solid color layer to see how this will look on the black background. Pro tip: start with high resolution designs and always use the right white ink base for vibrant prints. Make sure to evenly apply adhesive powder, cure at the correct temperature, and peel at the right time for durable results. Lastly, test settings consistently and always do small sample prints to avoid costly mistakes. Wait for the results and printing process. Subscribe and support for more such informative videos.